Tease Media. We keep you informed.
Yeah, I welcome to you all. Thank you. Tease Media, it's the channel. It's a workshop of knowledge and creativity. In this video, we are going to show you very many people have been getting the news of mixing a raw egg with Coca-Cola. And it's a disclaimer, by the way. We are not using Coca-Cola for bad intentions. It is for educational purpose. When you are drinking, you have to drink it when it's in a bottle or alone. You don't mix it with a raw egg, because in fact there is even no scientifically proven benefits for drinking Coca-Cola and a raw egg mixture. In fact, it possesses healthy risks such as food poisoning and is nutritionally unbalanced due to high sugar content. Like raw eggs carry a risk of a content called, or an ingredient called salmonella, while phosphoric acid in Coca-Cola will also cause the egg to carry, and high sugar content can contribute to various health issues like cardiovascular problems. And there are risks in taking this type of drink, like food poisoning, because when you take raw egg, as I said above, that it contains salmonella, a bacteria that causes foodborne illnesses. Now even digestive issues. Mixing such a drink, it can cause stomach bloating and discomfort. And on top of that, considering the acid in Coca-Cola will also bring curdle in the egg, making the mixture unappealing. Still, such will bring nutrition imbalance, like in a single can of Coca-Cola that contains a high amount of sugar, which if consumed regularly can lead to health problems such as insulin resistance and animal cardiovascular system. But there are very many safer ways or safer alternatives, whereby if you are looking for ways to improve your health, consider the following safer options. Like when you want proteins, incorporate cooked eggs and other lean protein sources into a balanced diet. For the energy, you get the energy from the fruits, vegetables, and other ways. But to mix such, it is not advisable. Tease Media, we are here to give you the information you need to make your life better. There is also another safer way for hydration. You drink plenty of water instead of the sugar sodas. It's always better and best to consult with a health provider or a registered personalized advice on diet and nutrition. But here, the good thing is, since it is a workshop of knowledge and creativity, people have not sat, people are not sleeping. They always seek the ways of how to survive and how to taste, even testing, like making research, blah blah. But mixing the Coca-Cola and milk, it creates a chemical reaction where the acid in the Coke curdles the milk's protein, causing them to clump together, and the mixture separates into solid brownish gang at the bottom and the clear yellowish liquid. You see, now when you pour Coca-Cola into the bottle where there is already the eggs, as you are seeing the bottle is those bubbles, the way it has evaporated, it has done that process. Even that's what happens in our stomach. Therefore, you can just see it. That's what happens in our stomachs when you take such a mixture of a drink. Therefore, be very cautious. Be very be very vigilant and be very wise to your life and health. This media still wanting you. We want you to keep you informed, our viewers. Please subscribe, share, like, comment. And the reasons why we made this video, we've been getting a lot of information from different social media platforms. People are saying we mix this and it, but we've made a research about it and we are giving you that information which is correct and which is right. You know, Coca-Cola, you can take it when it's separate. An egg, you boil it and you take it for a healthy, for your health, you know, for your health. Yes. Now, here at Tease Media, we keep you informed and we always want you to be informed such that you can have a right decision. You see, that's how bloating in the stomach happens. And you can't remain the same. That discomfort, it takes a lot. Okay? Stomach becomes big because of the gas inside. The reaction between the two, the Coca-Cola and the egg, they are not totally and really appealing inside our stomachs. I'm out of here, but subscribe please.
Tease Media. We keep you informed.